My name is Devin Brumlett, and this is my app FlashPass for mobile FBLA's mobile app development. So starting off with our problems and solutions, our problems being the inefficient study methods, the lack of personalization in learning, and the inconvenient study workflow. And our solutions being AI-powered flashcard generation, custom-tailored content, and seamless integration and accessibility. So starting off, our concept and planning process was rigorous to say the least. We noticed that students have a study inefficiency gap, and what they were studying from and where they were studying from was not into the curriculum being taught to them specifically. So we thought, what's the best way we can counteract this? And we realized flashcards, a tried, proven, and true method on helping students retain and learn new knowledge and facts for the tests and quizzes that they would have. And we thought, what's a faster way to do it? And we decided on AI. So we have AI-powered flashcards by the Gemini API AI for the automation of flashcards based on what the student provides and what the student's needs are. And we made sure to have a minimalistic UI UX design so that the student is always focused and will not be distracted by the app or be tempted to go onto other apps to learn from. And our testing deployment was in a cyclic nature. We had the minimum viable product, an MVP, beta testing, and we launched it. And we did this in a cycle to make sure the users got nothing but the best from us. Our platform and technology stack was robust. We used cross-platform React Native Expo being a framework of React Native, which was used to help create Android and iOS apps at the same time, showing that they look the same and work the same without any hiccups. And we used the PNPM for the fastest dependencies, which is 25% faster than NPM and React and Expo for efficient package management, reducing redundancy, and creating faster runtime and lower storage. Modular design, we separated the AI, UI, and the scanning components to help create proper scalability within the app so that if any features need to be added on, it would not be a mess or a complete jumble. And AI integration, as previously discussed by the Gemini API for the NLP processing, natural language processing, was used to help take images that were provided by the student of their curriculum or their notes and turn it into AI-generated flashcards. And our optimized performance, we used Hermes, lazy loading, and asynchronous async state, which was used to do multiple things at a time. And our fast data retrieval was on a local phone cache, so that storage and data, even when offline, will still be accessible for the user. So, design and user experience, we had a seamless UI. Intuitive, clean, and easy to navigate, making sure nothing got in the way of the students learning and wanting to learn. Cross-platform, we had a consistent experience on iOS and Android, and we made sure to have minimalistic aesthetics, again to boost on and augment the fact that we didn't want students getting distracted by the app. AI-enhanced app, which was allowed for students to ask questions to the AI and learn from the AI based on any questions they have based on their flashcards that were generated. And we had an optimized performance. Fast, responsive, and lag-free, and made sure in the case that any of those do happen, we always had a backup and a fallback for all the software made. Our code quality and architecture was modular, to say the least, as we had everything split up based on components and based on what would be used, what time, and what it's used for specifically. Optimized performance, we made sure all of the code was optimized completely, without issues, without hiccups, and our code base was the cleanest that it could be. We followed all the best industry software practices, such as comments, components, and breaks. Our error handling was robust, as validation and fail-safes were implemented to make sure the app was never jailbroken or hacked, and our scalable design was made for feature expansion. So our application functionality and demo, you can see the demo on the right side of your screen right here, and our game leveling system. Users were able to level up and unlock new features such as asking AI, new limits, and new study times. Feature unlocking, which progressed as this user used more and more of the app to create a more gamified experience. And we had interactive progress tracking, which made visual achievements be noticed by the user so that they had reinforced feedback on what they were learning, how they were learning, and how they were improving. So here are some of our statistics. We have active testers. We have 62 actively testing currently on the app, and they're testing daily. Daily engagement, 45% of the testers open the app daily and learn. And our flashcard sets were 320, generated in total on different topics, ranging from US history to European history to chemistry to physics to English language arts. Our feature unlock rate, 18% of testers have unlocked advanced features, which is level 3 and above, which requires at least 20 hours of study time. And media sharing, 5 testers have shared progress on social media and shared flashcard sets, of which other testers have picked up and learned from. Thank you for listening to my mobile app development presentation. I hope you have a great rest of your day.